Hi all, this is Lunath Pawan. You are watching the Lunath Pawan YouTube channel, and right now we are in Shillong, Maupat area, and from Maupat we are going to Maukasiang, a tourist place. Because of this noise, you can't hear my voice clearly. But in this video, I want to let you know some facts about Shillong. Shillong is a high elevated hill station like Simla. Very beautiful place, but there are not dangerous roads and very stiffy mountains like Shimla. Yeah, it's beautiful, cool, and many tourists are coming, crowded also. But food is nice. Being a South Indian, I was so disappointed with the food. Yeah, I love the food, but there is no spicy, there is no, how can I say you, being a South Indian guy, I only love South Indian food. How can I love this food? Yeah, I can taste, I enjoyed it. See, this is all set up for the tourist because it's a tourist place. See the pine trees. Shillong is covered with pine trees. Dark roads, big turnings. Every day and every second I was so excited. How can I explain this beauty and the excitement of riding here in Meghalaya? Who didn't experience this? How can I explain? I was overwhelmed with the joy. Right? The only person who can understand my feelings, the one who traveled or he might ride through the Meghalaya roads. Next level experience. So I'm going to Maukasiang from Maupat. This is the east side of Shillong. This Shillong located in East Khasi Hills. Did you heard the word Khasi? Khasi is a one group of people like Lambadi, Koya, how the tribes located in our Telangana, like one tribe called Khasi, major influenced tribe in Shillong and Meghalaya. Not only that, it's official language of Meghalaya after English. And do you know the fact about Khasi people? In our area, man marries woman and takes her there, and women give dowry to marry man. But here, opposite. Being a man, you have to give dowry to woman, and you have to go to woman's house. Different. I have one experience. One of my friend in Meghalaya called me for his wedding. I went. They gave local drink. I was drunk and I was like without conscience. Me and my friends. What happened night? We didn't have clarity. But morning, the guy was crying and so sad. His family members also crying. I asked him, bro, what happened? Why are you crying? This is your marriage day. You have to be celebrated. You have to be very happy, enjoy. Like he said, bro, I'm leaving my family, bro. I'm going to women's house. Women's home. So that's why I'm crying. It's heavy for me and my family. Like that he said. Bro, what are you talking, bro? Women come to your house. Why should you go there? While we are speaking, the woman came with her family to take the groom, the boy. And after the ceremony completed, the boy left his family and went to woman's house along with in the vehicle. I was like shocked. I don't know how to explain this, but I was like mad. I don't know. I was like blank at the time. So then I came to know that this is the culture of Nagaland, Mizoram, and some tribes of Meghalaya. So in these three states, marriage system is quite opposite than other Indian states. So not only that, many facts are there. See, here in petrol bunk, women working, and wherever you see, women will be headman, and women work, women feeds the family. Then you might ask, then what men do? Men have to take care of the home, children, and if the woman gives any task to man, then he have to complete the task. Like being a man, I mean, we give tasks to our wives in our area. Like the situation quite opposite. But the saddest thing is the much construction being happened in the hill station, and naturally there is, I mean, I was afraid, will the Shillong lose its natural beauty because of heavy tourist crowd and massive construction, pollution, many things are there. So I want to ask, why people coming to Meghalaya, especially Shillong, because of it's a hill station, cool atmosphere, weather, it's scenic beauty, nature. I mean, many things are there now. What if Meghalaya lose its beauty? I mean, nature. I mean, its coldness. Like then nobody comes Meghalaya. Why I am so excited by riding? Why I am so excited while riding in Meghalaya? Because of its beauty. So I request most of you, please don't come Meghalaya because it's too crowded. So, Arunachal Pradesh is there. It's more beautiful and more. I can't explain its natural beauty because it's unimaginable. I mean, beyond your imagination. But no tourist goes there because it's one of the underrated place. So I request you go Arunachal Pradesh because it's a quiet place. Great experience you will feel there in Arunachal Pradesh. Yeah, it's very good to be in Meghalaya. I mean, I'm not saying that, except Shillong, because Meghalaya villages, I mean, the place is very beautiful, very like Cherrapunji, most rainfall area. 2 days back I went Cherrapunji and I recorded video and I uploaded also. I think some of you have watched that. So visiting such a places is good, but Shillong, it's very crowded. See how many vehicles are there in outskirts of Shillong. Then imagine how much of traffic, pollution in Shillong. Actually, I didn't. I didn't exhausted in Hyderabad traffic, but in Shillong traffic, I was exhausted. I was frustrated also. So such a great traffic is here. Then how can you enjoy the nature in Shillong? See, this is all East Khasi Hills. Second time I'm riding in this road. for the work. Somehow I have to complete the work today, because who can travel again and again in this road? So, and another thing is that if you want to know many things regarding geography, experience, because of the financial situation or any other reason you can't travel, so I'm traveling instead of you. I'm recording, showing you everything and explaining. So I hope you subscribe my channel, like, share, and be a regular viewer. Yeah, finally we arrived Maokasiang. Very different name. See, in first I can't able to pronounce the Maokasiang, but now I became like a local. I learned the local language also, learning to say hi in Khasi. It's a Kumno. Okay, this is the center of the Maokasiang. See you. I hope you see the board Maokasiang. So thank you very much for watching my video till now. I hope you guys support me. Thank you very much. Okay, let's meet in another video with another concept. Until then, bye.